Hey, all right. What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's your boy Dion. I wanted to just kind of go over some of my trading today. Like again, I want to use this as a kind of like a journal to document what I've been doing in my trading journey. So this is something for me to look back on, and I just really want to use it as a way to share some nuggets. And for other people who are on their trading journey, maybe you got like you'll be able to get some insights. So today was the way I've learned to rate my trades is either like a green day or a red day, and that's really it really boils down to a green day is if I stick to my plan, my trading plan, not necessarily green in profits or if I made money in the market. A green day is if I stick to my trading plan. A red day is if I don't. Um, my idea is to really move away from a straight profit mindset and really lock in on the profit, the process. I follow a lot of traders online, and I've read a lot of trading books, and the consistent traders or the folks that are, or the people that are able to trade and draw consistent profits and just have a good trading career are the ones that are process driven. So I'm really trying to really devalue putting my focus on making profits. So today I follow my trading plan. It's really I have a handful of I have only a handful of patterns that I feel comfortable trading. I'm aware of some other ones, but the ones that I feel confident, and when I see it in the market, I feel confident taking a position. So sticking to a green day is staying in my wheelhouse, basically those type of trades that I'm comfortable with and ones that I understand. So I did do that, and then really just sticking to or managing my over trading, because in the past with some of these funded challenges, as if you've ever done any challenges, having that ability to like have multiple trades, it can go to hell really quick and really get out of hand. So for me, really kind of putting myself in really tight constraints as far as like one, maybe two, trades a day, really max two trades, because right now, more importantly than making the money, I'm really focused on trying to pass a challenge, and then to just gain confidence and show myself that I can do it. So I'm really trying to give myself max two trades in a day. And so I stuck to that today. So like I said, it was a green day. Also, I was watching the charts a little bit later, and I almost instinctively just jumped in a short position because the market was kind of breaking down, and it was the same trade that I was trading earlier in the day, and it broke support, and it was just kind of collapsing, and I almost just jumped in the trade because I felt like, okay, this is running. And so this is one of those FOMO situations where with me journaling, and I want to do like a full breakdown at some point in time, just kind of talking out my journaling process and how it's evolved and where it is today. But that's one thing, since I've been consistent with journaling, I've learned that FOMO has also reared its head a lot. It's popped up a lot in my trading, whereas I see something and I feel like I can take a quick scalp or take a quick position, and it might turn out into a profitable trade. But that greed, it kind of taps into that greed where I want to keep shorting or I keep wanting to trade. And so by giving myself a max two trades, it really makes me want to be very rigid or with the type of trade that I take. Like I don't want to just jump into anything and use one of my trades if I do trade that day. Again, it's not something that I have to do each and every day, but if I do see a trade that fits my framework or that's inside of my wheelhouse, I will take it. So without going into like super rambling, today was a good day. What I'm trying to do is just build confidence, focus on not over trading, and really journaling my trade. I use the Shortcuts app in my iPhone as a way to screenshot and to kind of write out my trading thoughts. That's one of the things that's helped me a lot since you know in my trading as of late. Just really not specifically tracking every single detail about the pattern, every detail about the trade, but really having a dialogue with myself and figuring out how I feel about the trades, why I took different entries, and why I exited certain trades, and just as a beginner process of kind of capturing those thoughts has helped me out a lot, so that I'm not so impulsive when I see things in the market. I'm becoming more aware of how I trade and some of the failures or breakdowns in my habits when in regards to trading and being in the markets. So I'm really happy. Obviously, this is just a second vlog or video, or just my documentation of me becoming a funded trader. But I'm really happy. Thank you for tuning in. Like I said, I want to spend more time talking a little bit about my trading style and how I have been able to document it. But I appreciate it. I hope you're doing great. Hope you're following your rules. If you don't have any, there are tons of people on YouTube and online where you can find some really good trading ideas or rules to follow, and then you could tweak it and figure out a way to help you, or have it match your type of personality and your trading style, because it varies depending on the person. But that's it for today. I appreciate it. I hope you have a great day, and we'll be back soon. Peace.